Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Antoine Smalls of Financial Blueprint. I'm back. We are back. And I'm going to just make this announcement. It is season 2. We are in season 2 of the Financial Blueprint YouTube channel. We got some new things coming. We got a lot of new things happening. But I want to take a split second and talk about this upcoming holiday that we have, 4th of July. Right, it represents independence, it represents freedom. And you know, when I sit back and I think about it, it's really interesting because a country became free and independent from another country, and that's amazing. That's beautiful, right? And we here to celebrate it in a few days, you know. But I'm gonna encourage you all to think about your freedom. Right, think about your independence, right? And as we sit here and talk about freedom and independence individually, I just say to yourself, are you putting yourself in a position? Are you doing the daily things every day to put yourself in a position where you can do that for yourself, do that for your family, financially, right? Are you making the decisions and building the habits and you know, building those pillars that you need for success and freedom and independence and for your future, right? These last few months and these last, you know, I've been doing some things, handling some business, which was the reason why I haven't been posting on the channel. But I'm telling you, we back now, we posting now. But what I want to say is, you know, I started this community on school where the whole reason why we created it is to teach financial education, literacy, to bring people together in a community setting to where people can connect with each other, grow with each other, learn. We got courses, educational courses. We got weekly calls, you know, investor club every single week to talk about how to start investing, how to get into the stock market, how to do real estate, right? But, you know, I started this community based on education and, you know, building. It's called the Freedom Builders, man. So if you're interested in tapping into a community that's right for you, that's going to help you learn, that's going to build you up when it comes to education, literacy, connections, networking, courses, weekly calls, accountability, goal making, tap into the community. It's going to be linked in the description as well, pinned to the top of the chat. You know what I'm saying? So as we reflect on what this country and ultimately the freedom and independence this country, you know, was established on this weekend coming up, and we celebrate. I just want you guys to take a second and think about your freedom, think about your independence, and say to yourself, am I doing the things that I need to do? And if not, or if you need to put yourself around some people that might, you know, be able to help you push yourself in that direction, man, join the school community and let's get started. You know what I'm saying? So as we continue on this new season 2 of the Financial Blueprint channel, I'm always going to encourage you to invest. But this season going to be built on a little differently. It's going to be built on education. It's going to be built on teaching, right? We're going to have a lot of videos talking about pillars of financial success when it comes to your, you know, life insurance, the things that you need for your family, the wills and the trusts, the retirement accounts, you know, long-term investing, you know, thought process, taking advantage of all of the benefits that you have to your disposal, right? Building your credit, ensuring that you have a monthly budget, ensuring that you understand where your money is coming and going, making sure you pay yourself first when it comes to your checks, right? We got Friday coming up in a couple of days. Make sure that you are putting money always into invest into the stock market, building up your savings, emergency savings account, man. We talking about all things education in this new season. Always going to bring up the market. That's going to be a given, but always understand that we built on education here, and we're going to be built on putting things in place and execution when it comes to your financial pillars and your financial stability, right? So, man, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all, man. Again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, you know, share this content when someone needs to hear it. And I will encourage you, again, join the school community, hit the link in the description, also pinned to the top of the chat. Leave me a comment. What is the one thing that you're doing right now that's going to put yourself in a better situation, that's going to help you bring freedom and independence to you and your family, man? I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Antoine Smalls, Financial Blueprint. I'm out. Peace.